Hi friends, this is your lesson 13 exit ticket. So we've got two different problems here. For this first problem, your question is circle the clock that shows 3 o'clock. Okay, so remember what that half past means. That means 30 minutes. So which one of these clocks shows 3:30 or 3 o'clock? I want you to circle that clock. Remember friends, pay attention to where that hour hand is. Okay, we've talked about that in showing 30 minutes or half past the hour. Which one of these clocks shows 3:30? Then for this one down here, you are either going to draw the time that the clock shows, or you are going to write both hands onto this clock to show this time. So you will see that this clock wants you to show 4:30. So I want you to draw the minute hand and the hour hand to show 4:30 on this clock. For this one, we want you to write the time down here for this clock, and then for this clock right here, it wants you to show 9 o'clock. So you are drawing the hour and the minute hand on this clock to show 9 o'clock.